What is FastLane?
Every PC on every desk is fast and sustainably fast. That means it doesn't slow down over time. And that's really what FastLane is about.
FastLane provides a fast computer at every desk through the installation of a solid-state drive which runs at a much higher rate than a standard hard drive, and software that prevents speed degradation.
Normal hard drives have moving parts inside them, so they can go really, really fast, but they still are mechanical devices. So the reason that an SSD improves the performance of a computer so drastically is because there is no time wasted on finding the information on the hard drive.
FastLane provides a secure computer through the installation of Deep Freeze, which is a program that ensures a clean image on reboot. This eliminates concerns over viruses, spyware, pop-ups, malware, and undesirable system setting changes. It prevents the slow degradation of performance that often occurs on computers running the Windows operating system.
Deep Freeze component of FastLane maintains a database that's hidden from the user's view on the computer, which tracks all changes made to the hard drive at the hardware level. And when the computer is rebooted, it pulls out that database and undoes all the changes that were made.
FastLane will provide a professionally managed computer with system updates and software installations handled by the IT department. This will keep each computer on the same version of updates, helping to ensure compatibility with all campus systems. You will not have to install your own software or make decisions about whether to update Windows, Adobe, or Java ever again.
Well, often software, our college enterprise systems require updates, and when they do require updates, sometimes they need different versions of Java, sometimes they may need a special browser version, sometimes they may need even a change in operating system. And so right now, all of the computers are a little different, and with FastLane, we're going to increase the similarity between computers greatly, and that's going to allow us to ensure compatibility across all of our systems. And we'll be able to be proactive and get the updates out before we roll out a change in enterprise systems.
The FastLane standard image will contain all of the basic college software and ensure that everyone is running the same version of these standard programs. No more trying to open a document and finding out your version doesn't support it.
With FastLane, your computer is completely protected. You can install every virus known to man and every piece of spyware known to man on your computer and restart that computer and it'll be all gone completely. And so it's a great way to test out software. When you find something that really works, doesn't mess up your computer, then you can call the help desk. We'll make sure that software is licensed and that it's legal, so you're not going to get the school or yourself in trouble. And you'll have the added benefit of knowing that software didn't muck up your computer.
With FastLane, you choose between three options: full service, a professionally managed computer with a standard image, self-service. You are trained how to manage the FastLane standard image yourself. Opt out. You maintain the college-provided hardware and software image, licensing, and non-standard compliance liabilities yourself.
To explain the difference between FastLane's full service and self-service, there's a number of details involved on each side of these two options. One of the biggest differences is with full service, you are not having to do work on your machine yourself. If you need software installed, the IT department installs that for you. If you need any, like a hard drive changed out or the computer changed out, IT takes care of that for you. With the self-service option, this is the one that, with some training, to help you be prepared to support your own machine to some degree. By that we mean install your own applications, maintain all the updates on your machine. So for all the various software, Java and all the different softwares that come along, you would take care of those upgrades yourself. In the IT department, our role comes down to if the hardware fails, we bring in a new machine and we put a new hard drive in there with the basic image, and you take it from there.
The FastLane standard image will contain all of the basic college software and ensure that everyone is running the same version of these standard programs. No more trying to open a document and finding out your version doesn't support it.
The FastLane image is based on Windows 7. We're moving the college to that platform, and it will also include the Novell networking client that allows you to log into the network and get your map drives. It will include Firefox in addition to the built-in Internet Explorer browser, so that people have a choice on which browser they want to use. It will include the Office package version 2010, moving the college to 2010 for those who are still on 2007. It will include GroupWise for email. It will include Symantec endpoint protection for virus protection, the ZenWorks client for remote application deployment and remote assistance, Acrobat Reader, and we also include all the browser plugins, Flash, Shockwave. We include QuickTime for web-based materials.
Now that you have a better understanding of what FastLane is, please contact your department administrative support person and let them know if you want FastLane full service, self-service, or if you want to opt out. The FastLane install team is planning deployment one department at a time, only after everyone in the department has signed up for one of the options. The Lane Community College IT department is looking forward to the day when we are all running a FastLane option on our computers. Together we'll take Lane into the FastLane.